Knowledge sheet number 23, boredom and sadhana. What is boredom? When do you get bored? Monotonously, you have to keep repeating same thing over and over again. This is called boredom. Okay. What is boredom? Boredom is repetition without interest or love. Okay. This causes a monotonous state of mind and overshadows the self. Now, what is the similarity between love and boredom? Repetition. Isn't it? Has anybody told somebody only once I love you? Has it ever happened? Will it ever happen? No. I love you, I love you, I love you. No? Have you seen those Valentine Day cards? How many hearts there are on it? How many times I love you is written? No? Boyfriend will sit and write I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you like 1,000 times. Girlfriend will sit and read also 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? So, where there is love, repetition is not boring. Isn't it? When you are interested in something, repetition is not boring. Yes? How many of you play computer games? See, everybody. All the others, you are missing out something in life. Now, you know, if you play your simple, that brick. One ball goes, breaks some brick, comes back, goes. So repetitious. Yes or no? 100% repetition. Yet people keep playing again and again and again because interest is there. You are interested, so the repetition doesn't bother you. You have love, so the repetition doesn't bother you. Are you getting this? Yeah? Even in the more advanced games, it is the same thing. Right? You take your Age of Empires. What is Age of Empires? You develop, build, collect resources, build something, go attack. Collect resources, build something, go attack. Collect resources, build something, go attack. Yes or no? But, oh wow, Age of Empires. Because you are interested, the repetition is not boring. Yes. One of my friends, she has written when Anand won the chess championship just now. So her husband is a complete chess fanatic. She is, of course, as she calls it, a chess widow. Yes. So he said, oh, you have to write something about this on the blog. So she wrote, I heard that they are making a movie about you, about Anand. So my husband can be a stand-in because, he has spent so much time practicing, looking at the board for hours at a time and doing nothing. No, I would hate to see all this practice gone waste. So if you are ever going to make a movie about yourself, please, include my husband as your dummy. Because so much he has practiced all his life. Yes? Now she is not interested at all. So she finds chess boring, as I do. Garry Kasparov, after what? How many years of playing chess? After being world champion for 23 years, said this game has no challenge in it at all. I said it after the first game. It took 23 years to realize it. When there is no interest, then that repetition becomes boring. But when the interest is there or the love is there, then you thoroughly enjoy repetition. Okay.